Jaikumar Kamath. Mr. Jaikumar Kamath is presently positioned as Head Road and Machinery Business. He is a B.Tech from NIT-Calicut and has vast experience in the construction and earthmoving industry. He has worked with L&T and L&T-Case for several years and has been closely associated with conception, launch and marketing of Vibratory Compactors, Pneumatic Tyred Rollers, Loader Backhoes and Pavers. Mr. Kamath has a strong understanding of the road construction market and is an avid speaker on the changing contours of urban infrastructure in India. Today, he will be talking about technology, trends, opportunities and roadblocks in the construction equipment industry. So let's welcome Mr. Jaikumar.
Enforce the contract. There is already a good tax regime which has got evolved. So the GST has really helped in this regard. The challenges remain that over-dimension consignments, when they pass from one state to the other, there are different states which charge over-dimensional levies, and this makes it difficult for the hirers to estimate their expenses. I'm talking about the rental segment, where there'll be a lot of stiff competition which will come in, and the hiring rates primarily will remain guided by the demand-supply factors. So the efforts which are required by the hirers would be to differentiate their services from competition in order to get paid higher values. The large hirers will need to play a role in providing these value-added services so that there's some differentiation which comes in the rental hiring segment. Ease and availability of finance will also play a very important role in the better penetration of the hiring segment in time to come. Already all major banks, major non-banking finance companies are all providing finance for the construction equipment. There is a trend for the hirers to go in for longer tenures, and that trend is likely to continue. There'll also be a need to offer specialized equipments. So the rental players can look at offering specialized machines like piling attachments, slope compactors, bucket crushers, rock splitters, rock breakers, boom breakers, etc., along with the excavators, as these fetch much higher rentals. At L&T, we have supplied many of these attachments for fitment on the 20-ton excavators. The rentals for these machines with specialized equipments are more attractive than that of standard machines, and that's one method by which rental companies can differentiate. There are various financing options which are available in market, and a few financiers are already working towards offering leasing options to customers. The after-sales support and training is going to play a very key role in the times to come. At L&T, we have a large dealer network, and these dealers have trained manpower. We have more than about 1,000 people working with all the dealers across the country to support the machines which are there. The used equipment market is also likely to mature in days to come, and this will also boost the demand in the market. Now, coming to the technology changes in the construction equipment segment, a major technology shift is likely to be in the design of CEV4 machines. In fact, the emission norms were first notified in the year 2000, and progressively emission norms have been made stricter. In the year 2021, that's April this year, the CEV4 norms were notified, and these have got specific guidelines for the carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, particulate matters, and the hydrocarbons to be within a specific range. This is done to ensure that the pollutants which are released in the environment are kept to a bare minimum. This has been carried out by very good R&D efforts to develop the engine. The engine control unit of the engine controls the engine function, and exhaust is passed through a exhaust gas recirculation. There is a diesel oxidation catalyst, there is a diesel exhaust fluid, and there is a selective catalytic reduction to achieve these stringent emission norms which have been specified for meeting the emissions. This technology change has necessitated a large increase of price. Close to 15 to 20% prices have to be increased in order to get this technology in place. At L&T, the entire range of road machinery and wheel loaders have been upgraded to CEV4. The CEV4 models are already on offer in market, and we have got these machines which are running very well and have got widely accepted in the market. There's also a technology shift to introduce remote machine monitoring systems, and this is a major change which will minimize the machine downtime and which will ensure very high productivity. Such systems will ensure that any fault which is there on the machine gets notified well before a breakdown, and most of the machines manufactured by L&T have got this fitment. We are celebrating our 75th year of existence in the construction and earthmoving industry this year, and we have supplied over 75,000 units of various earthmoving equipments in the field over the years, be it excavators, graders, dozers, wheel loaders, and we are committed to this industry, and we look forward to a very healthy growth and partnering with all our customers, financiers in this growth in the days to come. Thank you.